take my kids out. In fact, my wife is joining on Saturday and Sunday because she is also working. So I take her to the park and all. So this is the change. Now we discussed earlier. So my friends are also coming. So now we reunion the group which was not there. Like we were just talking over the phone. Now we are meeting him personally.
I think it's the awareness that it has caused even within my house, just like it has within the company. It's quite incredible actually to see.
Actually, my husband joining me in a lot of the activities I've been doing and encouraging me, and he's been on the health kick as well. He's lost weight with me.
My wife also wears this stephathlon kit and she walks. So all these things, not me, it is not benefited to me also, but it is benefited to my wife also and my family also.
I have a small nephew who, once I reach home, he takes the device from me and he tries to, walk with his. So he goes to play. So he ensures that if my uncle is doing it, why not I try and understand how will it help me? So at his level, if he's so educated about all these things, which is from the grassroots level. This is going to definitely help for the generation now. I mean, the coming generation. So that's how it has gone to back to my family.
Through doing stepathlon for me, it's engaged my family a lot more because I've taken my boys on walks. We play a lot in the garden, and I've tested myself at home too. Can I get 10,000 steps without physically going out and doing a walk? And I've been able to do that at home, and that's just being in the garden, working with the boys, having a bit of fun sort of thing.
In fact, my mother, they also start walking with me. Like after my dinner, we take a walk. So my mother comes along with me. So we spend time to each other talking something. So family is very happy.
That when I walk, I now pull my kids along.